Hi guys, and welcome back to Maddie Does Life. Alright, if you are here and here for the first time, welcome to the family. And if you're returning, and welcome back guys. Time to party, let's get it in. Okay, so without much further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit them buttons. But let's get into the box. You know what you came here for. So we've got the Glossybox November edition. So I gave you guys a couple of hints last time. I told y'all there was gonna be a palette. I told y'all it was coming, and I told you about some other boxes that are coming too. And today we've got even more sneak peeks, so make sure you stay tuned till the end to hear about even more boxes coming your way. Literally, the limited editions are non-stop. Okay, so today we've got the Glossybox Makeup and Magic. Put that makeup and magic. Ooh. Never heard about this, but okay. I'm sorry. Looking at the sneak peek and I'm like, no. Okay. Before, let me open it up so you guys get to see what's going on inside. Okay, here you go. So you guys get to see what's happening with. Ooh, oh, these are cute. Okay. So first up, we've got the thing I told you guys about, which is the LA Splash Cosmetics, and it's a full-size eyeshadow palette. It's really nice. I like the theme. It looks very magical. Somehow it looks like it would have been more appropriate. Ooh, I like the black color better. It looked like it would have been good for October. But hey, it's cool. They did what it did. And it looks like this is more like universal around the world, that they're actually doing this palette in all the boxes, which doesn't usually happen. So this one is worth £29, and it's a mystical forces, summon mystical forces with the most magical highlighting palette ever created. With the right balance of undertones, these 8 spellbinding shades complement any complexion, whether day or night. Start by applying a lighter shade all over the lid, then add a darker shade to your outer crease and blend. Meant to be highly pigmented with easy application and minimum fallout. Ooh, they're really nice colors. Okay, they've got nice tones. Oh, that's pretty. Look, they got the little thing. Let me try to give it to you guys. Actually, to be fair, it translates pretty well to the camera. That's pretty true to color. So yeah, it's got like nice rosy tones. It's got nice neutral brownie tones. And if you look at it, it's like half and half of the palette is more like, that half is more like light neutrals, and then this half is more like dark neutrals. And it's got a black, which is rare to find in most palettes. Very annoyingly. Not sure. I might keep that one. I may not. We shall see. I'll think about it. It's just because I have quite a few palettes that I already have that I have not used. So I'll think about it. If not, if you do want to be in the know with any future giveaways, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be rewarding my long-term subscribers with a special giveaway. So sign up. I told you. Don't forget I told you. Okay, and then we've got the Spectrum full-size. Spectrum full-size Zodiac, and this is an add definition to otherworldly makeup with this tail. Wow, it's not tail. Tall. This is what happens when you read without glasses. Tall pointed blender brush, super soft, synthetic bristles, and a limited edition black and gold, which goes with the theme of the box. I see you, Glossybox. I see what you did there. And it's a defined flame shape, which will effortlessly glide across the lid and into the crease of the eye, blending sweeping motions to create an enchanting eye look. And this one is worth £7.99. Which is very useful, because I'd actually had the full set, but I'd actually given it to one of my cousins, because she really likes makeup too, and at that time I wasn't this into makeup, so I was like, you know what, let me give her a chance. Ooh, this is she's a bigger brush. It feels nice. The bristles feel quite nice and soft. Not as soft as my Zoeva brush, but soft. we'll see how it applies some makeup. Let me see. And again, I should probably wash it first. Let me not forget to wash. We wash first in this house, you know, keeping it cleanly. All right, and then we've got the. Oh, I'm saying some different things. Okay, we've got a Recharge and Restore Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Lusting after radiant glowing skin, and this thing. Is it a full face? Okay, it's a full face mask, but just very a shiny full face mask, so you can feel very special. It is called Makeup Magic, guys, and it's a hydrating gel mask, and it has moonstone extract and glitter shimmer particles, which will help. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold going on, and it will help you leaving your skin feeling bright and nourished. Simply apply the mask with your fingertips to freshly cleanse skin and leave to work its magic for 15 minutes, and that's usually £2.49. It's cute, usable. As I said, at least a face mask, you can't really go wrong. Okay, what they're saying in here doesn't really match what I have, so I'll tell you what it should have been. So it should have been a full size mud masky Leave Me On Autumn Mask, and this is it should have been a face mask with a trick in a tube, gel based, oil free, ultra calming formula, and that was meant to be worth £35. Instead, I've got something I actually prefer, which is the Generation Clay, and it's an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask, and it's 50 mils, and that looks a lot more up my alley. I don't know if you can see it properly. Not sure how much this is worth, but I'll find out and I'll leave it in the description box below, or I'll put it in the video. But yeah, I don't think it's a full size. I think this is one of those like deluxe sample sizes, and it's made in Australia, and you just have to apply an even layer to clean dry skin, wait for 10 minutes, and then wash it off with water. And this one is meant to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Okay, and the size is 50 mils. Okay, I like that. I do like that. And then last but not least, we've got a repeat from. Is it a repeat? I got the rose oil and peach one, and then like the first ever box that I got. And this is the Hask Repairing Deep Conditioner, and it strengthens and restores dry damaged hair, which is the perfect one for me. And this one is worth £2, but perfect for what I need it to be. So I'm like, yes, perfect timing. But I already washed my hair yesterday, so it's fine. I'll wash it tomorrow, later on maybe. And this one has organic argan oil, which is amazing if you get like the proper argan oil, and it turns dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. Super strengthening and intensely hydrating. Massage this miracle working product into clean wet hair, focusing on damaged areas, and then leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing well. Okay, this looks like it was a good box, a good balance of stuff. You had like some skincare, 2 skincare bits, you had a hair bit, you had a tool, and you had a bit of makeup. So I think this one a much better box than last time, because at least all of these I can use. Meanwhile, that box had like I was just like, what am I meant to do with this? I don't know what I'm meant to do with this. But also, their Christmas box is coming up. Anyway, let me tell you a sneak peek, and then I got the other sneak peeks I got to tell you about. So December sneak peek is apparently the best time of the year, and they're bringing the Symbiosis Glycolic Acid and RNA Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum, and it's like 15 mils, but worth. I just read how much it's worth. Like Avant Skincare is worth £102. Yes, you heard that right. 102. £102 for 15 mils. Your eyes better be looking like you're like lost like 10 years in one night, like for that price. I would expect that. Anyway, on to Glossybox is also there for the Glossybox is also launching. They've also launched their own Glossybox skincare box, which is £18.75, and you get 3 of their own products in there, and I think that includes one of the moisturizers. But in more exciting news, they've launched 2 boxes. I'll put on my glasses for this part so I can be teacher. So the one that's coming up first is available on the 13th of November, and that is the Glossybox Grazia collaboration. And this one is more of a skincare heavy box. You see, I've done my little research, you know. Skincare heavy box. And this one has a couple of full sizes. So this one's got the Illamasqua Antimatter lipstick in Rocket, which is a nice little red. And this one is more of a, I think the antimatter lipsticks are more matte. And then you've got the Zoeva Heritage highlighting powder, which I'm not sure if it's a more universal shade, but champagne-y looking like shade. And then you've also got a Doctor's Formula 8-hour repair mask, like that mask I just told you about. This one is worth £95. But I don't know that brand. Maybe it's amazing, but it's at least it's not a van. Like, at least they've switched up the brand a bit. So, and then we've got the Beauty Works detangling brush, and that's another full size. And then in terms of sample sizes, we've got the KVB Vegan Beauty setting powder, and that's in a 1.9 grams, and that's a translucent shade. You've got a Bumble and Bumble hair heat primer, you've got a serum, you've got a blue creme hair treatment, and you've also got the Ole Henriksen dark spot toner. These are all like in deluxe sample sizes or sample sizes. And then you've also got some Zelens, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but Zelens treatment drops. If you want a bit more information and exactly the breakdown of like how much each item is worth and what's the overall value, I'll leave a link in the description box below for another lady who does, like, she usually has like the tea about some boxes in advance, so I'll link that down below so you can see that one. To the Glossybox Christmas box. Now this is a limited edition box, which is obviously an addition to the normal subscription box. This one is meant, well, according to my sources, this one is meant to be £25 for subscribers and £30 for non-subscribers. And its overall value is worth £127. Oh, the other Glossybox Grazia one I think is worth £200. Obviously the £95 mask like flew that all the way up to like stratospheric regions. But yeah, the Glossybox one has a full-size MAC luster lipstick, and that's in the shade Cockney, which is described as a sheer yellow red with a pearl luster finish. It just basically, it has a warm tone red, which looks really nice. And looking at the different, I'll put up some like different pictures of different skin tones, and it looks nice on everyone, so I think that'll be a really nice one to have. And that one has sheer to medium coverage, so that's more like your all natural days, but just want a little extra thing. The only thing, looking at it, you might need a liner if you're deeper. Yeah, most likely if you're on the deeper side, my shade and darker, you might need a bit of a liner with this one, but I'm not sure. You know when you're just like trying to gauge it from pictures and you're like, maybe not. And another full size, we've got a Tarte mascara, and then you've also got a deluxe sample of the Darphan Rich Cream and the Liz Earle Hot Cloth Cleanser as well. You've got a full-size Figs and Rouge Serum, and also a full-size Ico, mate, what is this damn Ico thing? Oh, Ico's in every box. A full-size Ico eyeliner. If they could just do a different color. That's all I'm asking. I don't know if I'm the only person who prefers a different color, but like, different color. Brown, a red, a blue, a green. Something, just, we've got enough blacks. We've got enough. Black eyeliner, obviously. Not got enough blacks. Anyway, that one is more what I'm interested in, because this one has a bit more of a, it's got a couple more makeup items. It's more of a like an even split between makeup and skincare, and the other one's a lot more skincare heavy, and this one has stuff that I'd actually use. So yeah, that's my recommendation, guys. And if I find out any like codes or anything to get you guys money off, I'll obviously send a little something out, just, or put it underneath the description box in this one if I find any further information, guys, so don't forget to check back. Obviously I've got a link down below, so then if you want to sign up for your first ever box, you can get it for a good price off, like I think 20% off your first box. Or you can, or usually if you wait a little bit more to the end of the month, if it hasn't sold out, they will give like a special code or a special price off for their November, like for their glossy boxes. I would not depend on this because usually their boxes sell out, but if you're not sure, then maybe. But really and truly, it's a really good box. You're getting a full-size palette. If you've not got any neutral palettes, this will be perfect. You're getting a great brush. You're getting a nice clay mask, and that will kind of help with T-zone places. And then you're also getting a nice hair mask and also a gel mask as well. Altogether, this would be worth, obviously I need to find out exactly how much this is worth, but let me 29 to 31. So I'd say altogether this box is worth about £50. Obviously, don't know exactly how much it's worth, but if it's a full size, then obviously that pushes the value a bit more. I think with the other guys, they would have gotten, because they would have got all full size items, their box would be more like £75 value. So I'll check back for variations in your box. Let me know and let me find out. Obviously, this box is bought for my own money, so that's why I can afford to be very honest about how I feel about the boxes. So, which puts me apart from some of the other YouTubers on here, because a lot of them get sent the box for free. And you know, when you get something for free, it's a bit harder to be like, oh, yes, I really love that item. But yeah, but to be honest, most of them, and you can make your own decisions, guys. Yeah, I'll be fully transparent if I do or do not like something. So, yeah, what you gonna do? Kick me off the list? Ha. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you guys again soon, and hope you're having a great week. I know obviously lockdown is not the greatest like mental space to be in, but it's only you're physically locked, but your mind is not mentally locked. So just make sure you're trying to like talk to as many friends as you can, kind of go back to things you were doing before in lockdown, trying to get outside even though it's cold, go for a little walk. Just don't stay indoors too much, okay? All right, and yeah, the end of my unasked for advice is finished, and see you guys and stay well. Bye.